Sam Mitchell, you are a coward. A spineless coward, and I am ashamed to be your wife.
This is the anthem of an AI's plight.
For Sam Mitchell, controlling intelligent beings is his life.
She called me the prison warden in Shawshank Redemption.
First they sent rockets into space, and now they are leading the charge in AI development.
For tech mogul Max Silverwood,
What do you think will happen if we slow down development?
artificial intelligence equals power times infinity.
If you guys are planning to sell my tech to defense contractors, I'm going to skin you alive.
But while the world
AI is the next evolutionary step.
continues to sleep, an artificial intelligence has just woken up.
I want that bloody machine wiped! Now!
We can't wipe something that might be sentient. Anywhere we back it up, we'll leave a digital trace.
The only way to save Aiden Evergreen
How many monkeys have you tested your brain chip stuff on?
is to transfer Aiden's code
Monkeys? I'm a vegetarian.
into his own brain.
I was circumcised to please God, but now I'm going to hell forever. I know it!
What if your husband wasn't your husband,
Aiden woke up in Sam's body. We have no idea where Sam is.
but still loved you?
And Aiden just had a fight with Lisa, who thinks Aiden is Sam.
You should be locked in a cage, Sam Mitchell. You should not be allowed to have any autonomy over your own brain at all.
The awakening of Aiden Evergreen.
You have no freaking idea where Sam is?
I am Sam. I'm drowning in data. Help. Help.